Frequently asked questions about Griffonia simplicifolia. As a plant enthusiast, I often come across questions about Griffonia simplicifolia. This fascinating plant has garnered attention for its unique properties and potential health benefits. Here's a comprehensive look at some of the most common questions people ask about Griffonia simplicifolia. See more 4 species in genus Griffonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Griffonia simplicifolia? Griffonia simplicifolia is a woody shrub native to West Africa. It belongs to the family Fabaceae and is well known for its small, greenish-yellow flowers and distinctive, seed pods. The plant is commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions and has been used traditionally in African medicine. What is Griffonia simplicifolia used for? Griffonia simplicifolia is primarily recognized for its seeds, which are rich in 5-HTP, 5-hydroxytryptophan. This compound is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation, sleep, and appetite control. The seeds are often used in supplements to help manage conditions like depression, anxiety, and insomnia. Additionally, Griffonia simplicifolia is thought to support weight management and enhance overall well-being. What is Griffonia simplicifolia seed extract? Griffonia simplicifolia seed extract is a concentrated form of the plant's seeds. It's widely used in dietary supplements due to its high 5-HTP content. This extract is believed to help with mood disorders by increasing serotonin levels in the brain. It's commonly found in capsules or powder form and is used for its potential benefits in managing depression and improving sleep quality. Can I get Griffonia simplicifolia at Walgreens? While Griffonia simplicifolia is popular in the supplement market, it may not be available at every drugstore like Walgreens. You might have better luck finding it at specialty health stores, online retailers, or pharmacies that carry a wider range of dietary supplements. Always check the ingredient list and ensure you're purchasing from a reputable source. Does Griffonia simplicifolia affect blood pressure? The impact of Griffonia simplicifolia on blood pressure is not extensively documented. However, since 5-HTP can influence serotonin levels, it might have indirect effects on blood pressure. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have concerns about blood pressure or are taking other medications. How to grow Griffonia simplicifolia? Growing Griffonia simplicifolia requires a warm, tropical climate as it's native to such regions. Here's a basic guide to growing it. Climate: ensure you're in a tropical or subtropical climate with warm temperatures. Soil: plant in well-draining soil, ideally rich in organic matter. Watering: keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Sunlight: provide plenty of sunlight or partial shade. Propagation: you can propagate Griffonia simplicifolia from seeds or cuttings. Growing it indoors might be challenging due to its specific climate requirements, but with proper conditions, it can be done. Is Griffonia simplicifolia related to basil seeds? No, Griffonia simplicifolia is not related to basil seeds. While both have medicinal uses, they come from entirely different plant families. Griffonia simplicifolia is part of the Fabaceae family, whereas basil seeds come from the Lamiaceae family. Basil seeds are known for their use in culinary applications and traditional medicine, particularly in Asia. Where can I get Griffonia simplicifolia? Griffonia simplicifolia can be found in various places depending on your location. Online retailers and specialty health stores are good starting points. Look for reputable sources to ensure you're getting high-quality products. Always check the product label for authenticity and quality. How to care for Griffonia simplicifolia? Caring for Griffonia simplicifolia involves providing it with the right environment. Watering: maintain consistent moisture in the soil. Temperature: keep it in a warm environment, ideally between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. Fertilizing: use a balanced fertilizer to support growth. Pruning: regular pruning helps maintain shape and promotes healthy growth. Can you grow Griffonia simplicifolia indoors? Growing Griffonia simplicifolia indoors is challenging due to its need for a warm, tropical climate. However, if you can provide a controlled environment that mimics these conditions, such as with a greenhouse or grow lights, it might be feasible. Is Griffonia simplicifolia toxic? Griffonia simplicifolia is not known to be toxic. However, as with any supplement, it's important to use it according to recommended guidelines and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns or pre-existing conditions. Benefits and common problems. Benefits: Griffonia simplicifolia is valued for its potential to support mood balance, improve sleep, and assist with weight management. Common problems: issues might include difficulty finding the plant or its supplements, potential interactions with other medications, and the need for specific growing conditions. Compare with other similar items. Griffonia simplicifolia is often compared to other mood support supplements like St. John's wort or valerian root. Each of these has unique properties and potential benefits. Griffonia simplicifolia's high 5-HTP content sets it apart, particularly in its role in serotonin production. In summary, Griffonia simplicifolia is a remarkable plant with potential benefits for mood and sleep, though its cultivation and availability might pose challenges. Whether you're interested in growing it or exploring its supplements, understanding its characteristics and uses can help you make informed decisions.